My Goodman furnace doesn't provide heat. Now you can see the arrow code is one flash LED. That indicates either gas valve or pressure switch has failed. I'm going to troubleshoot using a multimeter AC to measure the voltage applied on this gas valve. This is a two-stage gas valve. It has two coils. MC is the main gas valve. It's also called the low fire coil. And the C to H is the high fire coil. Now I'm going to test the gas valve. The multimeter is connected to the gas valve, low fire M and C. If the safety check passed, the control board should provide 24 AC volts between these two pins. Then gas valve will open. Now I'm going to test the gas valve. First, turn on the gas valve. Turn on the furnace. Now, the inducer is running. Pressure sensor, two pressure sensor will be working, and the voltage, no voltage at this point. Watch igniter glowing. Watch the voltage. (26 volts). And the valve doesn't open. This indicates the gas valve failed. I'm going to replace this faulty gas valve. So first, shut off the gas. Turn off the furnace power. Disconnect this pipe joint. Then remove the entire manifold of this furnace. You needed to have this big pipe wrench to disconnect this joint. Right. Yeah, that's it. Once you close it. So that I will be able to take out this manifold separately. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna remove the valve, put the good one back. Now I removed the joint, and from the old 4-inch iron pipe, because the new one is 1 inch shorter than the old one, I needed to use a 5-inch iron pipe. So I'm going to put this joint on the new pipe and replace this one with the new one. We needed to clean the thread with this metal brush, and once it's all cleaned, we'll use this tape I bought from Home Depot, yellow tape, T-tape, and this. So first I'm going to tape this. And I will also tape this side. Should be good. and I'm going to put compound. This joint, put on. This is the pipe joint. I'm going to put this new valve to this manifolder. The direction of the arrow you can see from this side, right side towards the left. I have a compound evenly spread. Just turning, make sure the direction is coming from right side towards the left. Okay, I have the valve already attached to the manifolder. Now I'm going to attach this joint. Don't forget the joint right on the right direction. And now attach it tight. Tight to the appropriate torque. Okay. Take this opportunity when the manifolder is off. I can check the burner, see if it is clean. So take it out and check. Sounds okay for now. I can put this manifolder I have installed the manifolder back and reconnected the joint and organized the line. Okay, the manifolder is secured. Wire already plugged in the gas valve. You need to tighten this pipe joint. I'll put the pressure sensor. All the burner headers are in place. Wires are plugged in. Gas valve switch. Okay, now let's test. First, we're gonna open the gas valve here. And then I'm gonna turn on the gas valve here. Turn the gas valve on. Let's test to turn on the furnace power. Induced draft blower is energized. The pressure sensor must be closed. Then igniter warm up. This pressure sense switch will close, provide 24 volts. Now the furnace is firing. And flame sensor detected the presence of flame. Furnace is back to normal. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please click like and subscribe.